Hey guys, and welcome back to the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. Today's video is a subscriber requested video, an individual I've been chatting with, helping him set up his locker clutch. Now, he made a fairly common rookie mistake when working on a bike, even a car. When your slave cylinder is not loaded, so you don't have spring pressure against your clutch, don't pull your clutch lever. This individual managed to pop his piston out of his slave cylinder. We're going to go through the basics of rebuilding a slave cylinder. It's a fairly quick process on these bikes, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first step in this process is to remove this sprocket cover. There's a shift shaft coming through here. You can remove the single bolt, pop it off the shaft. Make sure you take a picture of where it is positioned. If you get it out of position, your shifter's either high or low, and you're going to have to pop it on and off a bunch of times to get it where you want it. You will then remove this line. There's two washers on it. Two washers. One goes on the bolt, then the hose, then another washer. Okay? Don't lose the washer. You'll have it free. It'll have fluid in it leaking out. On the back here, there's two screws. You're going to remove those. They're going to be fairly tight. So you need a large, wide screwdriver. And you remove the stop. This is what prevents your piston from popping out. Behind that is your piston itself. Okay? We're going to take some compressed air and pop that piston out. Alright guys, so on the back side of this, where that line came out of, we're going to take air and put it to there. Okay? We're going to take a towel and cover the piston. And it'll pop out. You now have the piston, the spring, the umbrella seal, which is angled that way. You can see it. And that's the bulk of your kit. You're going to clean the slave. Make sure it's smooth. Okay? You need a little bit of emery possibly. You're going to remove the spring and put on the new one. Well, sorry, remove the spring. Remove the seal. I'm not going to, this kit's fairly new, okay? I'm going to brake clean it and put some oil on it. You're going to want to clean everything. Roll your seal on there very carefully. And then once you're ready, put a little bit of oil on here and slide it in with the spring on it. And just push it in. Ever so gently, just push it in. Replace your cover. And the job is done. Really straightforward and simple process, guys. I was able to do that in, 3 minutes? So I hope you enjoyed watching the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. If anybody out there has any how-tos they'd like me to do on my Bandit, if I have the parts still, which I still have 99.9% of the parts I took off of it, I will go ahead and throw together real quick, easy how-tos. If you need support, shoot me a message. If you're in the Bandit group, shoot me a message, and we can move forward from there. You're going to reinstall this the same way you took it off, with the washers on the proper side of the hose, one on one side, one on the other. These seal the hose to the Bandit bolt. And you're going to install it. From there, if you know how to bleed brakes, it's the same process. Okay? You have a bleeder here. Clean, quick, simple. Thanks for watching the Ringer 57 YouTube channel, guys.